Hello everyone. The Constitutional Court has found that President Cyril Ramaphosa had nothing to gain by suspending Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane because an investigation into matters related to his Phalaphala farm continued in her absence. The Apex Court overturned a High Court ruling that declared Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane's suspension invalid. Handing down judgment, Deputy Chief Justice Mandisa Maya found that President Cyril Ramaphosa had nothing to gain by suspending Mkhwebane because investigations continued with regards to Phalaphala scandal in her absence. The court found that the mere fact that Ramaphosa was being investigated didn't expose him to a risk of conflict in exercising his official duties. Ramaphosa also had no power to influence who would stand in for Mkhwebane or to sway the Phalaphala farm investigation. The court further ruled that a High Court finding involving the president's conduct was indeed subject to confirmation by the Apex Court. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.